Alright, this tutorial we're going to start off our camera. The way Fusion works is, as you can see, you've got a base plate here for us to start working on, mixed with these grids. So these grids give us an outline of measurement. So if you scroll right in, you can see how each of the squares end up becoming smaller and smaller, a group of smaller and smaller squares. Alright, so that helps us create nice, neat and dimensioned objects. If I click on the browser here and origins, alright, these yellow squares here are what we call planes. Now planes allow us to select them and then we can then sketch on the plane. So here you have a base plane, here you have a lateral plane, so that means up and down, and over here you have a frontal plane. Alright, so looking from front to back. So base plane, top and bottom, lateral plane up and down, and a front plane. So what we want to do is we want to start our camera body, and by doing that I'm going to click the base plane and I'm going to click sketch. So that's taken us, as you can see, looking from the top view, and we can start the process. I'm just going to move this over to the right. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to start off with a rectangle, 2-point, to create the camera body. Now I can do that in two ways. As you can see here, I've got measurements along the bottom and along the top. So what I want to do is I want a camera that's going to be 25 by 100 mils. So to move across, I've hit the tab button and then I've typed in the measurements that I want. Once I'm happy with those measurements, I'm going to hit the left mouse, click, and then as you can see with the dimensions on there, I've created a rectangle box of 25 mil width and 100 mil length. So once we're happy with the sketch, what we can do is then we can extrude that up. So extruding it up, I'll just select this home view. Extruding it up allows us to select any shape that we've just created and make it 3D. So we've gone from 2D and now we're going to make it 3D. Now to do that, we can drag the cursor up to a desired height, or alternatively we can, on the right hand side here, we can give a distance of 50. With extrusions as well, you can also adjust the taper. So the taper, as you can see, goes into a point, or we can expand it out. Alright, but for this camera we'll keep it at 0 degrees. I'm just going to get rid of my origins by unselecting the light bulb. The same goes with any of these drop down lists. If you don't want it, you can unselect the light bulb or select the light bulb. So as you can see, as we've created sketches, it's outlined what we've just done on the side here, and down below it's given us a timeline of what we've done. So we've made the sketch and we've extruded the body.